In today's video, we're gonna walk you through how to change your Google language to English on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorial. Let's dive into video. Open your Google account and right side top corner you can see a profile. Tap on that and you can see option called manage your Google account. Tap on that and you can see personal info next to home. Tap on that one and scroll down and you can see option general preferences for the web, and under that you can see option language. Select that and from here you can edit the language. So tap on the pencil icon and select the language you prefer. I'm selecting English and the option United Kingdom, and if you're happy with the final output, just save it and it's done. And this is how we change the language in Google account, and we are ending our video from here. Please make sure to subscribe my channel and leave a thumbs up if you enjoy the video.